Morning students, octal number system. Previously we have seen two kind of system. One is a decimal, another one is a binary. So what is a octal number? The octal number system is a 8-digit represented as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The base of the octal number system is 8. A number system whose base is 8 and takes from the set 0 to 7 is called octal number system. So this is the decimal and equivalent octal number. Up to 7, the octal is same. When it becomes 9, the octal is 10. Like that, when it is 9 means the octal is 11, 10, 12, 11, 13, 12, 14, 13, 15, 14, 16, 15, 17, 16, 20. So how this becomes? Okay. Again, we use the decimal to octal conversion. Right. How to convert a decimal to octal? So this is similar to binary. In the binary, we divide the decimal number by 2, whereas in the octal number, we divide the decimal by 8, since the base of the octal number is 8. Okay. Now, divide 123 by 8. So in the 12, one time. So remaining 4, 43. So 43 divided by 8, 5 times. 5 8s are 40. Therefore, remaining 3. That remainder put here. Okay. Then again 15. 8 one time. 1 8s are 8. Then remaining 7. So you put 7 here. And similarly, you take the value from bottom to top. So 1, 7, 3. So which is a octal. So for 123, the octal equivalent is a 173. Okay. So this is the binary number, decimal number. Then we divide the decimal number by the octal base. Okay, 8. So in 12, one time. So remaining 4. So 43. 5 8s are 40. Therefore remainder 3. That remainder put here. Then again 15 divided by 8. 1 8 is 8. Then remainder is 7. You put the remainder here. Okay. And then we take from bottom to top. What is called an octal equivalent. Therefore, for 123 decimal, the octal equivalent is here 173. Right. We take another example. 1032. What is the octal equivalent? Now, 1032, 8. So in under 10, one time, remainder 2, 23, 2 times, so 16, then 7, 72, 9 times, so 9 8s are 72, therefore remainder is 0, put here. Then again 123 divided by 8, 1 8 is 8, therefore remainder 4, then 49, 6 8s are 48, so remainder 1, you put the remainder here, then 16 divided by 8, 2 8s are 16, therefore remainder is 0, therefore you put the remainder here, then from bottom to top, So 2010, right? Therefore 2010 is the octal equivalent. Suppose that if decimal points are given, we take the same example for 1032. The 1032 we can find like this 2010. Then how to calculate for this decimal value? Again, we use similar to binary. Okay, so 0.6875 into 8, real part and the fractional part. So when you multiply this, we get 5.05. Therefore, the real part put here 5 and fractional part is here 0.5. Again, we take the fractional part and multiply by 8, 4.0. Therefore, real part is a 4 and the fractional is a 0. So when you take the 0 here, 0 into 8, 0, 0. Okay, so that we leave it. And then we take from top to bottom. Okay, it is 0.50. Sorry, this one, real part, 5, 4. So 0.54. Able to follow, right? So for fraction, first the fractional part is multiplied by 8. So 0.6875 multiplied with 8 means we get 5.5. So real part put here and the fractional part put here. Again we take the fractional part multiplied by 8, 4.0. So 4 here 0. Then again you take the fractional part. When you multiply, what happens? The real part becomes 0 and the fractional part becomes 0. Okay. Therefore, here we take from top to bottom. So 0.54. Therefore, 1032 is a 2010 and 0.6875 is a 0.54. This is the octal conversion, binary to octal conversion. So 172.878, right? 172. First we divide 172 by 8. So 2 8s are 16. Remainder is here 1. Then 12. 1 8 is here 8. Then remainder is here 4. The remainder put here. Again we divide 21 by 8. 2 8s are 16. Therefore remainder is here 5. You put 5 here and then you take from bottom to top. Therefore 2 5 4. So 2 5 4. Then now we take the fractional part. Okay. So 0.878 into 8. When you multiply this one, 7.024. So real part is here 7 and the fractional part is here 0.024. Again you take the fractional part 0.024 and multiply by 8. Okay. Then the answer is here 0.192. Therefore, the real part is here 0 and the fractional part is here 0.192. Then 0.192 into 8, 1.536. Therefore, real part 1 and the fraction is here 0.536. Then again 0.536 into 8, 4.288. Therefore, you take the real part here and fractional part here. Again, if you multiple, this is going on. Okay. Therefore, we stop as 4 or 5 digit approximation. So take from top to bottom. Therefore, this is a 7014. 7014. Therefore, 172.878 decimal equal to 254.7014 octal. Now take this. These are the decimal values. You have to convert into octal equivalent. This is the answer. So you convert and check with this answer.